Happy freaking Valentine's Day to all you fine ass bitches, okay? If you're alone on Valentine's Day, who cares? Because you're still bad as hell. If you got a date, good for you. I hope you slay, and I hope that he treats you right. I hope that he gives you what you want. You know what? I hope that if you got a bae, he bought you the Amrezy highlight. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Nikki, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I did a cute Valentine's Day look. So if you're about to go out with bae and you want to look cute, you know, watch this video. I already did my brows and primed my eyelids. Now I'm going in with the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette, taking the shade Magical as my transition shade and putting that all through my crease. Now going in with the shade Spark, I'm going to also put that all through my crease just to give it a more pinky tone. Next, I'm taking the shade Moony and I'm going to use that as my brow bone highlight. And without any extra product, I'm going to go in with my blending brush and blend all of that out. Next, taking the shade Potion, I'm going to use that to deepen up my crease. I'm focusing it on the outer and inner corners and leaving the middle empty because I'm going to do a halo eye. Next, taking the shade Elfish, I'm going to focus that on the outer and inner corners only. Now I'm going to put that through my crease, but leave the center empty. Sorry, I'm jumbling up my words. Now taking my Tarte Shape Tape on a flat brush, I'm going to cut my crease. Now taking Now taking the shade Kaleidoscope and I'm putting that all over the center where I put my Shape Tape. You guys, it's 5 in the morning and I'm trying to do this voiceover, so I'm so sorry if I sound crazy. But taking the shade Stardust and I'm focusing that on the outer edges just to blend it out. Now going into my, what is that? Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I'm just taking the black and using it to smoke out the edges of my eyes. Now with no product, I'm just using my fluffy brush to blend everything out. Bam! Now taking my Hourglass Stick Foundation and putting that all over my face. And I'm using a Sonia Kashuk foundation brush to blend it out. Going back in with my Tarte Shape Tape, I'm just highlighting under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, my chin, and my Cupid's bow. The usual. Of course, using my beauty blender to blend it out. I'm also sharpening up the edges of my eyeshadow. Now I'm just taking my Kat Von D translucent powder and setting my entire face. Going in with my Shade and Light contour palette, I'm just using the center shade to contour. Taking my Pure Bronze and Brighter palette, I'm taking the shade Blushing Glow and using that, oh my gosh, and using that for my blush. Taking my NYX setting spray and setting my face. Now going in with my Anastasia Summer Glow Kit and using the shade Summer to, you know, glow to highlight. Now taking the shade Spark and running that all over my lower lash line. I also go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and take the black shade and run that through closer to my waterline than the other shade that I used. I do apply my lashes and mascara off camera, but I use the Ardell Double Ups in the style 207. Now I'm taking my favorite nude combo. It's the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Bow and Arrow, and I'm going to top that with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Cookie Butter. This is literally my favorite nude lipstick combo ever. So this completes the look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button because it'll help me out. And also please subscribe to my channel because, I don't know, it just makes me so happy and you know you want to. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye. And I also added it because, you know, we got to slay for bae. Know what I'm saying? Gotta look cute, gotta blind his ass, you know, gotta, you know. But yeah, I changed. I went and put on this pink jacket. So I changed and I went on put, oh my god. Hey, text your mama, be like, happy Valentine's Day, girl. Thank you for raising such a baddie.